Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Holistic Evolution Shala. My name is Mandy Black. Thank you so much for watching today. Today we have a profound and transformative topic to explore: healing childhood trauma through the incredible trifecta of yoga, dialectical behavior therapy skills, and unwavering support. I went from totally stressed out, emotionally dysregulating daily, feeling frustrated, and at times hopeless, always keeping relationships at a safe distance, to feeling confident, content, and empowered so that I could share with you the transformative tools I have found for healing from childhood trauma and developing more intimate, loving relationships. Let's start with yoga. Yoga is not just about flexibility. It is a profound tool for healing deep-seated emotional wounds. Through gentle asanas, deep breathing, and mindfulness, yoga helps release stored trauma from the body, providing a sense of grounding and inner peace. Now let's delve into the power of DBT Skills, an evidence-based therapy. It equips you with practical strategies to manage emotions, build healthier relationships, and regain control of your life. Journaling, emotional regulation, and mindfulness exercises, these are just a few of the powerful tools in your DBT toolkit. Healing isn't a solo journey. It's about finding the right support system. Being part of a community that understands your journey, provides empathy, and offers a safe space to share, it's invaluable. The integration of yoga, DBT skills, and a supportive community is a holistic approach to healing trauma. It empowers individuals to not just survive, but to thrive. Remember, healing from childhood trauma is a journey. It's not a destination. It's about reclaiming your life and learning how to self-regulate so that you can create the life that you truly desire. Thank you so much for joining us today on Holistic Evolution Shala. If you're ready to start your path to healing, remember that you're not alone. Reach out, seek support, and explore the transformative power of yoga, DBT skills, and community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And together, let's embark on a journey towards a brighter, happier, and trauma-free future. Sending you love and light on your healing journey. Namaste.